how to connect crypto wallet to Hamster Kombat. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can connect your crypto wallet to Hamster Kombat. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open Hamster Kombat in Telegram. Over here, click on the airdrop option. After that, scroll down and select Binance Exchange. Then, if you already have a Binance account, click on Yes, I have it. Next, to find the hamster deposit address and memo, open your Binance account. Over here, click on the icon. After that, click on Deposit and type hamster in the search bar. Then, click on Hamster Combat, choose the network, and select Ton Coin. Next, and copy the Hamster Combat deposit address and memo. Then, paste the address in Hamster Combat, click on Save, and you're done. So that's how you can connect your crypto wallet to Hamster Kombat. That's all for this video.